Hi everybody, I want to make a video here to show you how to use the t-test on Excel, no matter if it's one population t-test or two. So let's start with the one population t-test hypothesis. So here's the example that I had for you. We have the exam score is just one population, and then the question says that we want to test if the average of the exam score is higher than 230 with a significant level of 0.05. So now I want to start with the first step, build my hypothesis. My null hypothesis says average of the score is higher than 230, and then the alternative is saying that is not higher than the 230 or is lower than that. So the second step is, because I had just one population and I'm going to use the Excel to calculate and test the hypothesis, I need to build a dummy sample to fool the Excel. So I build a dummy, put some 0 here, and then I go to data, choose data analysis. Then this table is coming up, t-test, two sample, assuming unequal variance, hit OK. And then for the variable one range, I choose the main data, which are the scores. And then for variable two range, I choose the dummy variable. And then for hypothesized mean difference, I use the questions number that was greater than 230 in there. And then if I choose the label, I check the label here. And my alpha should be 0.05, which because it wasn't the question. And then you can put the output range anywhere in the cell, or you can choose a new worksheet to produce it in the new worksheet. And then you can hit the OK. But if I give you two different samples, which we have it in the hypothesized t-test for two population, you don't need to build any dummy variable. So you choose easily the first population in the first range, second population in the second range, and you want them to have a equal average. Therefore, their differences is 0. So you should put 0 here, and the same is the rest is the same as what we had here. Make sure that always your significant value is in your alpha level here, and then you hit the OK. After you hit the OK, this table is built for you, and what we care in this table is checking this probability for the two-tail and comparing it with the significant value. So if this probability here is smaller than significant value, we should reject the null hypothesis, and if it's bigger than the p-value, the significant value, we should accept the null hypothesis. So you see here is 0, smaller than the 0.05, I should reject the null hypothesis. Now, what if we have two samples? Answer, we do not need to make any dummy sample. It's easier than just having one sample. Okay, that was all. If you have any question, let me know.